In a world where technology evolves at lightning speed, small businesses face unique challenges in maintaining their IT infrastructure. What if you could streamline your operations, enhance security, and reduce costs, all while focusing on what you do best? Welcome to our comprehensive guide on IT maintenance and support for small businesses in 2025. In the next minutes, we'll explore essential strategies and practical tips. The IT maintenance and support encompass a range of services designed to keep your technology running smoothly. This includes regular updates, troubleshooting, and security measures. In 2025, small businesses are increasingly turning to managed service providers who offer a proactive approach, monitoring systems 24/7. This shift not only reduces downtime but also allows businesses to focus on their core operations. Companies report a 30% reduction in IT-related costs. Key services include network management, ensuring a reliable and secure network with firewalls and traffic monitoring. Data backup and recovery, implementing regular backup solutions. Cloud-based solutions offer scalability and security. Cybersecurity. With cyber threats on the rise, investing in cybersecurity is not just an option, it's a necessity in 2025. Software updates and help desk. Support, automated patch management, and 24/7 technical support minimize downtime. Outsourcing IT support provides cost efficiency, access to expertise, scalability, and allows you to focus on your core business. Key trends shaping 2025 include cloud computing, artificial intelligence automating routine tasks, and robust remote work solutions. Sustainability in IT is becoming crucial, with businesses focusing on energy-efficient hardware and e-waste recycling. Effective IT maintenance and support are crucial for small businesses in 2025. By understanding these services and trends, you can make informed decisions that enhance your operations. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more insights on navigating the world of technology. Your support helps us create more valuable content for small businesses like yours.